Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix rate limit exceeded on Twitter. So if you encounter this kind of problem, the very first thing you should do is you have to open your Twitter application, and then after that exit, and then you have to simply hide or X all the application and open again your Twitter application. The next thing to do is you have to make sure that you're using the strong internet or you're connected to a strong internet or a Wi-Fi. So you have to swipe down here and make sure that you are connected to a strong internet or a strong Wi-Fi. If not, then you have to tap this one again and then reconnect to that specific Wi-Fi or internet. And then open your Twitter again and see if this problem work. Now, the next thing to do if after doing this method still you encounter this problem, like a rate limit exceeded, then what you're going to do, long press your Twitter application, and then you have to click this app info right here. After that, you have to go to storage usage, and then you have to click this clear cache. Tap this one. Now go back to your Twitter and see if the problem solved. If not, then the very last thing to do here is you have to uninstall your Twitter application. Go back, tap uninstall, and then go back to your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then reinstall Twitter again. So tap uninstall, tap OK here, go back to your Google Play Store, search for Twitter, reinstall. Another thing, you need also to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Twitter. So you have to make sure that your Twitter is updated before using it. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe, and see you in our next video tutorials.